e bungu ma Mtathia, Lari, county ma Kiambu. Magimo kukum cheno ma serikal jiwo, mana ni pinyo wacho, kata piny Kenya medo kwan yiende bilion 15 ka chop higa mar 2032. Jolweny omiti jirito yiende ma kwan gi ohingo milion 500 mondo chiw yien maromo mipidho. Ikwayo apisas mochung'ne bunge ke fes mondo chiw thuolo e bunge moko mana ni opidhi yiende, orit yiende ma igeto kaka dwarore. Mama Recho Ruto osingo jiwo chenro mar pidho yiende skunde, kama bende biro nywak jopuonjre pidho lemo e skundegi kaka yor reso lwasi kendo bero ngimagi.
Today we are doing 20,000 trees with the Kenya Defense Forces, with the Kenya Forest Service, with Greens of Africa, with Eden Restoration, with the CFA of the Matathia community, and the community at large. I'm sure you can see we have very many people who have gathered here today so that we are able to do the 20,000. But this land that we are studying on is 50 hectares. So we are going to continue planting here until we are done with the entire 50 hectares.
So how do you incentivize tree growing for the community so that people can be able to take it up? So we are looking at supporting growing of fruit trees. So we're looking at macadamia, cashews, oranges, avocados, apples, and even gum arabica. So supporting communities to grow these fruit commodities because then they can be able to have incomes out of these commodities, but more importantly also that then it will supplement their nutrition and will also have